Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by what I'm holding, I have another Ipsy unboxing for all of you. It is Ipsy Wednesday and today's bag is the December 2022 bag. So I'm excited to open it. So let's go ahead and rip it open. So we're going to start with the bag. And then I'll go ahead and show you what I chose. So here is the bag. Well, this isn't the bag, but this is where the bag is. And here it is. So this month's bag is kind of like a color block, and it's like a velvet. So it's got the red, the pink, and then orange on the back. Let's go ahead and open it. Here is the information card, and it says, "Treat yourself. Don't forget to get a little something for yourself too. Shop our closet clear out sale starting December 14th, where we empty our beauty closet and you stock yours. Plus, shop directly from some of your favorite brands with Ipsy exclusive discounts." Oh, what fun is the theme. So the theme of December 2022 is "Oh, what fun," and it says, "Let the celebrations begin. We're throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all the good cheer and glam beauty. So swipe on a bright lip, slip on your dancing shoes, and get ready to revel in the most wonderful time of the year." So let's open this. Also, the zipper says "Hooray." Don't know if you can see that, but it does say "Hooray." So that's kind of cute. Let's go and open it and see what we get. So the first product that I'm pulling out is the Tea Time Byroe, New York. Their rose tea ice cream, which is supposed to brighten, depuff, and firm. And let's read more information on this. So the Byroe Rose Tea Eye Cream. Wake your eyes up and smell the roses with this depuffing, brightening, smoothing, and plumping eye cream that uses Hydro Rose, a proprietary infusion of 3 types of roses, and vegan collagen to help keep your eyes looking fresh and youthful. Tip: use your ring finger to prevent a heavy hand. The full size of this product, this is the product, and the full size goes for $70, which is quite expensive. Here's the back. So that is the first product that we have. The second product that we're pulling out is Fenty Skin, their Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. So this is Fenty Skin Total Cleanser Makeup Removing Cleanser, and it says, "One step to melt away makeup and rid our faces of dirt and oil. Sign us up. This gentle cleanser gets your skin super clean without stripping thanks to nourishing green tea, ginkgo biloba, and Barbados cherry. Tip: cleanse your face for at least 60 seconds to get the max benefits of this cleanser." The full size of the product goes for $26, which isn't, I don't think it's terrible. So there is the cleanser. I have a whole bunch of cleansers that I need to try. The next product that I'm pulling out is the Rachel Couture translucent powder in the shade medium, and this is the full size product. It says, "Get the most out of your foundation with this arnica infused translucent setting powder that helps to reduce inflammation and irritation, diffuse shine, and set your foundation for a silky smooth complexion all day. Their tip is to tap off the brush before applying to keep application light and natural." And this product, the full size of this one, which this is the full size, it ranges for $14, which is pretty good for a translucent powder. So like I said, this is the full size, and it is $14. Next product that I'm pulling out. Okay, so this is the Kensie Buttercup Babe fragrance. Now let's see what it smells like. Ooh, there's a coupon for a free beauty gift. I'll have to check that out and see what that's all about. Let's smell this. It's nice. Go ahead and just leave it rubbed in on my wrists. It's a nice smell. What are this? Okay, let's read what it says. So it says, bright blooming florals mingle with fresh citrus and sweet nectars at first whiff, with notes of buttercup, freesia, lily, and peony petals wafting in, followed by blonde woods and sensual sheer musks for a touch of warmth. So the full size of this product is $55. Next product, and the last thing that's in here. The last product is a Tarte Face Tape Foundation in the shade 29 Neutral Light Medium Sand. And I've heard a lot about this one. I remember YouTubers that I used to watch back in the day would use the Tarte Face Tape Foundation or the concealer, one of the two, but I've heard a lot of things about this. So this is what it says about this one. It's full coverage, lightweight, and hydrating. It can help smooth over pores and imperfections and stay on through water and sweat without transferring too. The full size of this product runs for $40, and that is the Ipsy. That is a Tarte Face Tape Foundation. And then the last thing, I did choose a little add-on this time, which I think I usually choose an add-on for most of the box, or for most of my little bags, whether it be, I think the most I'll go is for like $5. So their add-ons do range from $3, I think anywhere from $3 to probably 20 plus. But I like to get some products, depending on what they are, in the $3 to $12 range. And this time I did get these. So I got some little hair clips. They're actually big hair clips. Let's go ahead and try one on. Okay, so here it is. It's bigger than my hand, but it's not taller than my hand. So here it is. Let's go ahead and see if I can get it open. I kind of got these because I work with kids, and I usually work with the babies and the infants, and those guys like to pull hair. So I wanted to have something to clip my hair up. Here, let me see if I can do it the other way. Okay, so that is what I got. I got these, and it came in a pack of 2. So there's the tortoise or the turtle or whatever this color is, and then it just came in a black one. So yeah, so those are that's my Ipsy bag for today, for December 2022. Next month is January 2023. We are almost in January in 2023. Oh my goodness. Excited for 2023. I graduate in the fall, and yeah, so if you all enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below to my unboxing channel, which you're watching my unboxing channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Comment down below if you have any beauty subscription I guess bags or boxes that you're a part of, whether it be Ipsy, or I think BoxyCharm is one. Just any beauty ones that you're a part of. And yeah, I'll go ahead and see you all next time. Bye everyone.